When it comes to interviews, simply solving the question is not enough. Speed is of the utmost importance. But how fast do you really need to be? And what can you do to improve your speed?
Hi, I'm Marshall, and I'm here to share insights from my 10 years at Amazon.
A typical interview would be 1 hour long. The first 5 minutes would be reserved for introductions, where your interviewer will introduce themselves, maybe ask a couple of questions from your resume, and then talk about the process of the interview. The last 10 minutes would be reserved for asking questions that you might have. The remaining time is what would be used for understanding the question, explaining your solution, and then finally coding it all out. If you remember from my previous video, you have to communicate with your interviewer throughout the interview. Therefore, I recommend removing another 5 minutes as buffer while practicing. Now that leaves you with a total of 40 minutes. Most of the companies would just focus on a single tech question during this time. However, companies like Meta could end up asking 2 to 3 questions during the time as well. So make sure to go through the recent interview experiences, which you can easily find on Google, to understand what to expect and set realistic goals for your speed. Once you've identified the goals, start timing yourself when you practice. If you're able to hit the goals consistently, well done. If not, start timing each part of the problem-solving process and then try to identify where you can make improvements. If you're taking a lot of time to read the question, you need to work on your reading speed. Or if you're taking a lot of time in just coding the solutions out, you need more hands-on practice with the code. In any case, consistency is of utmost importance, so make sure in the days leading up to your interview, you practice regularly and time yourself correctly. Now, I like the Leetcode UI because it provides a timer. You can start the timer before you read the question and then stop it once you're done with the solution. That is the right way of measuring your speed. If you're not on Leetcode, you can always use the timer on your phone to time yourself. If you want to learn about how to make the best use of the last 10 minutes of the interview, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll add some tips on that pretty soon. Good luck for your interviews!